Today we are doing something different. I'll be designing and manufacturing these exercises. We will start with example number 1. Pause the video to understand the design. CorelCAD is my favorite CAD tool because of its command line interface. I'll be using CorelCAD 2019 for these designs. We will start off with a circle, center at the origin, 0, 0, with a diameter of 80 millimeters. Now we need 3 circles. Center point 0x and 28y with a diameter of 10 millimeters. The next circle, center point 0x negative 28y with a diameter of 10 millimeters. Third circle, negative 28x y 0 with a diameter of 10 millimeters. The fourth circle is the center circle with a radius of 16. Now we need lines from the top of that circle and the bottom of that circle at an angle of 0. Using power trim, we can trim off those extra lines to get the exact shape. Before we can extrude this shape, we have to unite or weld the 2D lines together. After the 2D lines are welded together to make a shape, we can extrude it to 5 millimeters. We also need to make the holes in this shape. We need to extrude the 2D shapes into 3D objects, which we can use to subtract that space. Using the subtract command line, we can select the main object and the parts we are subtracting. With a quick render command, we can verify the shape is correct.